I'm George from Tenna. Let's talk a little bit real quick about equipment tracking, maintenance, and scheduling maintenance. Why is it important? Are you still writing down things on a whiteboard, keeping track of what needs to get fixed or what needs its routine maintenance? You might want to look into a different system, such as the Tenna system. The Tenna system provides the platform for you to track your maintenance all on one platform. From your small assets, which may not have an hour meter, all the way up to your larger assets, which may have an hour or mileage meter. As a former asset manager of a construction company, one of my frustration and pain points was probably the paper trail. And that was from the field into my office in getting repairs done. The Tenna system eliminates that paper trail. The Tenna system gives the power of the folks in the field to help us all be asset managers. I can receive notifications right here on the phone immediately when a tire goes flat on a vehicle or when a final drive goes out on an excavator. And then I can take immediate action, which would be actionable to be able to get that piece of equipment up and running, back on the job. The Tenna system can help you track your scheduled maintenance by either hour meter readings, could be mileage readings, or even possibly calendar days. It really depends on your preference or possibly the OEM's recommendations. You may have a fleet of mobile service providers. You may have your own company mechanics that go out and provide your services for you, or you call your third parties. Keeping track of those folks to perform maintenance on each piece that's out in the field can be very challenging. This is what the Tenna system helps you keep track of. Not just your scheduled maintenance items, let's face it, not only in construction, but in asset management in general. Certain things happen during the day. And when something breaks out in the field, as an asset manager or an equipment manager, you need to be notified right away. Through the Tenna system, you've got that capability. And that's what we try to provide, is a link between the folks in the field being able to communicate with the folks inside the office who can take actionable items and provide a solution. That's what we're here to do at Tenna. And I would tell you that we are here to improve your business. We're here to make you more efficient. We're here to help you save money by helping you manage your assets. And we're also here to help you find more. The Tenna system, did you hear that? As soon as I started, that seagull chirped. That's all I had. I don't even know where I was going on, but never mind. Stop right there.